cavity is lined by a serous membrane that you have the parietal layer and the visceral layer. Remember that? So the parietal layer right here is the parietal peritoneal, and the visceral layer is the visceral peritoneal. And you have this sac, which is the peritoneal cavity. The organs that are within the sac, they are the intraperitoneal organs. The organs that are in the back, they are retroperitoneal organs. And they are the organs that were inside but they were pushed out. They are secondarily retroperitoneal organs. The duodenum, a segment of the duodenum, and the pancreas, they are secondarily retroperitoneal organs because during embryonic development they were in and they were secondarily pushed out. Right? Now, when you look at the retroperitoneal organs, basically they will be the organs that you have against the dorsal aspect of the abdominal cavity. So we are talking about the kidneys, the ureters, the aorta, and intraperitoneal will be all the organs that you have here, which would be the stomach, liver, transverse colon, small intestine with the exception of one segment of the duodenum. And as you can see, guys, this is a big sac. If this is a big sac, you need to have something holding those things in place. And those are the mesenteries that you really, really need to know. You have this fold right here. And we are looking at this in the lab. This is what we call greater omentum. If you have the greater omentum, what's the first thing that should come to your mind? You have the lesser omentum. The greater omentum is between the greater curvature of the stomach. So if you look at the stomach has two curvatures. The lesser one is smaller than the greater, right? So the greater omentum hangs down the greater curvature of the stomach and it's like an apron of fat, and then comes, folds up, and then it goes and clicks the transverse colon. So you have this fold right here. And that's what gives you the beer belly. You know, your muffin top, like, that's amazing. So now you can say, like, my greater omentum has lots of reserves in it. At least it looks fancy. So this is the greater omentum. Now the lesser omentum will be between the liver and the lesser curvature of the stomach, which is the smaller curvature that you have right there. So you see, this is the lesser omentum. Here you have the liver, and here you have the greater omentum that they cut. So the greater omentum literally covers all the intestines right here. There's like an apron in the front.